What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. This one is actually for something quite basic, but also pretty comprehensive at the same time. The reason why I say basic is because I'm not going to be going too into depth, because this is actually part of a mini series that I'm doing of a bunch of different tutorials on the Reminders app, just because of how useful this app truly is, and there's also a lot of features that go unused. But for today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create a reminder and basically a bunch of different functions that you have inside of the Reminders app in general. There's going to be a lot of stuff that I missed, but do check on my channel for other tutorials if you're looking for something else or you want some functionality in the Reminders app. Now, all I did here is just hit the new reminder button in the bottom right hand corner on that home page there, and it's going to take you to this screen here where you can set the title of your reminder. I'm going to set a reminder to clean, and then below that is a notes option where you could just write a short paragraph if you want to remind yourself of something else or something that you need to remember for this thing that you are planning to do and you need to remind yourself to do it. And then below that is kind of confusing because this should be on the main screen, but there's a separate box for details, and this is where the meat and potatoes are at of the Reminder app. You could go ahead and set a date for your reminder and even a time to follow that up as well. Right below that, a time for your date. You could even set a priority for if it's going to be low, medium, or high priority. And then you could just rank them inside of the app of reminders. So you set the reminder and you will see that it has a higher or lower priority than everything else. And like I said, there's so much stuff that I'm going to miss, including notifications, which I did set for this reminder. And you could also see at the bottom there that it has the 3 exclamation points for the high priority reminder. And you could also see the date and time right there for you. Pretty convenient when you open the Reminders app. You have this full calendar of things that you need to do right there for you. And yes, there is a separate designated calendar app on iPhone, but personally, I think this is just a lot more sleek to use. And I also don't need so many features on the calendar app over there. I mostly just need a title and the date, and then just set the reminder, and it will notify you when it comes to that. The reminder is now created though, and we have accomplished the goal of this video of showing you how to create a reminder. Of course, I wanted this to be short, but I'm going to make a bunch of separate videos for each and every different thing inside of reminders that you may not know about and you might want to use at your disposal. If you did find this helpful today, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.